Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to color a dimension here in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Coloring a dimension in Tableau is a common way to differentiate and visually segment data within your visualizations. Now, I'm gonna create a new sheet here so we can work with the coloring a dimension. I'm going to change the font size and the font style as well, maybe in 20. Change around maybe a red, make it bold, underline, and that's that. The next thing is, now on the search bar, I wanted to type in segment. And then drag it to the rows. You see that one? And then I'm going to type in sales and drag it down here in the segment right here. You see that one? And then now on the columns, I wanted to type in max and then a value of maybe around 0. Press enter. Right, I'm going to copy this. All right, I'm going to copy this one as by holding on the control button, this one. All right, and then after that, all I'm gonna do is hover here. You see there's gonna be an option. Now all I'm gonna do is drag the segment here to the color. All right, you see it changes. That's how you basically color a dimension within the Tableau. All right, the idea is when you color a dimension in Tableau, you can simply highlight specific segments or groups within dimension to draw attention to particular aspects of the data right here. All right, you can use to color represent different levels of performance status. For example, it's going to be a high versus low sales. And coloring dimensions in Tableau not only enhances the visual appeal of your data, but also improves its making it easier to analyze and communication insights. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.